Hello guys, welcome to VChem World. In this lecture, we will discuss on the concentration term as parts per million. It's known as the ppm. Where solute is present in minute or minimum amount is expressed in the terms of the parts per million. So first condition is the solute present in minimum amount. How to express these parts per million? So ppm of A, for example, solute particle is A. ppm of A means parts per million of A is the mass of component A divided by the mass of solution and multiply with the 10 raised to 6. This the 10 raised to 6 is the million. Million means 10 lakh. Find out the parts per million. So ppm is equal to mass of component A divided by mass of solution multiplication with 10 raised to 6. In the previous lecture, we discussed on the percentage weight by weight, percentage volume by volume and percentage weight by volume. So same as this ppm expressed in this three way. That is the mass of component A upon mass of solution. So it also expresses the percentage weight by a weight into multiply with 10 raised to 6. So that is the percentage weight by weight. Same as the volume. So volume of component A upon volume of solution multiplication with 10 raised to 6. In third way, mass of component A divided by volume of solution into 10 raised to 6. So that is the ppm. Example consider as the 1 liter of seawater contain about 6 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram of dissolved oxygen. We find out the percentage mass of dissolved oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen upon mass of solution. So that is the mass of solution is 1030 gram and this is the 6 into 10 raised to minus 30. So it gives the 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 4 value. This terms is the percentage mass of oxygen. Whereas they find out the ppm. So ppm of oxygen is equal to mass of oxygen upon mass of solution multiplied with 10 raised to 6. So mass of oxygen is 6 into 10 raised to minus 3. That is the 1.030 into 10 raised to 3. Multiply with 10 raised to 6. So that gives the 5.8 ppm. This value first find out in the percentage mass. It gives the 5.8 into 10 raised to minus 4. And ppm value find out the 5.8 ppm. So this is the better way of expressing the concentration of the very minute amount of the solute. So that way we use as the ppm instead of the percentage of mass. Example, a 7.5 gram sample of groundwater was found to contain 18.2 microgram of Zn plus 2. What is the concentration of Zn plus 2 in ppm? Find out that the ppm of Zn plus 2 is equal to the mass of component. So mass of component is Zn plus 2. Mass of Zn plus 2 divided by the mass of solution. Multiply with 10 raised to 6. So mass of Zn plus 2 given is the 18.2 microgram. And mass of solution is 7.5 gram. Multiply with 10 raised to 6. First we same this unit microgram and gram. So microgram converted into gram. How to convert? 1 microgram is equal to 10 raised to minus 6 gram. So put this value 18.2 multiply with 10 raised to minus 6 gram divided by 7.5 gram multiply with 10 raised to 6. So gram cancel out and 10 raised to minus 6 and 10 raised to 6 is equal to 1. That way answer is the 18.2 divided by 7.5 is equal to 2.42 ppm. That way we find out that the minute amount of the concentration of the solute in the ppm value. On the molarity of solution. On the definition of the molarity, molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter of solution. That way, molarity is equal to moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. But when volume of solution given in ml or centimeter cube, so it's multiplied with the 1000 moles of solute upon volume of solution in ml or centimeter cube multiply with 1000. We know that the 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. So 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1000 ml or 1 liter. That way, moles of solute upon volume of solution is ml or centimeter cube into 1000. Its unit is the moles of solute. So its unit mole, and volume of solution in liter. So it's per liter. Or other term, moles per decimeter cube. That is the unit of the molarity. Then find out the number of moles. Moles is equal to, or moles of solute is equal to the weight upon molecular mass of the solute. Molecular mass of solute. Moles of solute denoted by N, weight of solute W, and molecular mass of solute denoted by the M. So this value put in this equation. So moles of solute is equal to W upon molecular mass of solute multiply with volume of solution denoted by the V. This is the formula of the molarity, weight of solute divided by the molecular mass of solute and multiply with V. When volume given in the centimeter or ml, so it's multiplied with the 1000. For example, consider as the 0.25 molar of NaCl solution. It means that the 0.25 molar. So molar unit is the mole per liter. We can say that the 25 mole per liter. So 0.25 mole dissolved in 1 liter of solution. That is the definition of the or meaning of the 0.25 mole of NaCl solution. In detail, molarity value put in this the 0.25. For NaCl, we know that the NaCl molecular mass is the 58.5. So put this value, molecular mass of the 58.5 into per liter solution. This is the one. That way we find out that the weight of the NaCl. What is the meaning of the 0.25 molar NaOH solution? We know that the molar, its unit is a mole per liter. That means that the 0.25 mole of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution. That's right, 0.25 mole of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter solution. Another word, we find that the how to find 0.25 value. So we know that this is the W upon molecular mass of solvent, molecular mass of solute multiplied with volume. This given in the 1 liter. So it's not applicable for the 1000. That way, we know that the molecular mass of the NaOH is equal to 40 and volume of the solution is 1 liter, 1. Then how to find out this value? So it's 10 value, 10 divided by 40. So it's find out the 0.25 molar. So we can say that the 10 gram of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of solution, it gives the 0.25 molar of the NaOH solution. Molarity is the most common method for expressing the concentration of the solution. We know that in the laboratory we always uses the molar solution, mostly molar solution is. How to find out the different molarity concentration? First is the 1 molar is known as the molar solution. Molarity divided by 2 is known as the semi-molar solution. And we know that the 1 decimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 1 meter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and 1 millimeter is equal to 10 raised to minus 3 meter. So we find out that the decimolar, so it's divided by the 10. Centimolar, it's divided by 100. And millimolar, it's divided by the 1000. So that way m by 10 decimolar solution, m by 100 centimeter solution, and m by 1000 is the millimolar solution. That way we find out the different terms of the molarity solution. Example, 2.46 gram of NaOH, molecular mass given is the 40 gram, are dissolved in water and the solution is made to 100 centimeter cube in volumetric flask. Calculate the molarity of solution. We know that the molarity of solution is the moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. When solution given is the ml, so it's multiplied with 1000. In this example, given value is the centimeter cube. So this is the ml. In ml, multiply with 1000. Then we find out the moles of solute. How to find out the moles of solute? We know that mole is equal to weight upon molecular mass or molar mass. For the NaOH, given weight is the 2.46 and molar mass given 40. So its value is the 2.46 divided by 40, 0.065. That is the value 0.065 mole. Put this value 0.065 multiply with 1000 divided by the 100. So its answer is the 0.65 mole per liter or 0.65 molar. Example, how many ml of 1.2 molar CaCl2 solution are needed to have 0.35 moles MgCl2? How many ml? So first find out the molarity is equal to the moles of solute divided by the volume of solution. Molarity given value 1.2 and moles of solute, that is the 0.35. So we find out that the volume of solution. Volume of solution in liter, because of the in the no particular the ml converter. So that is the 0.35 divided by 1.2. It is the 0.29 liter. When liter converted into ml, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So 0.29 liter is equal to how much ml? 0.29 multiplied with 1000 is equal to 290 ml. That way we solve that the given value is molarity. So we find out the volume of solution and given value molarity and volume of solution. So we find out the moles of solute. Whereas the moles of solute given and molar mass given. So we find out the weight of the sample. Next is the molarity of solution. On the basis of the definition, molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved in per kilogram of the solvent. That is the dissolving per kilogram of the solvent. Whereas the molarity per liter. Volume is the per liter of the solution. That is the molarity. It is denoted by the small m. Whereas the molarity denoted by the capital M. M is equal to the moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent. In the mass of solvent is the 1 kilogram. Whereas this mass of solvent given is the gram. So it's multiplied with 1000. That is the definition of the molarity of solution. Its unit is the moles of solute. So first its unit mole, divided by the mass of solvent is kilogram. So that is the mole per kilogram. Its unit is the mole per kilogram. For example, consider as the molality. 0.1 molar of NaOH solution or 0.1 molar. This known as the molar and capital M known as the molar. So this is the 0.1 molar of NaOH solution. That means that the 0.1 mole of NaOH dissolved in mass of solvent in kilogram, dissolved in per kilogram of solvent. 0.1 molar of NaOH per kilogram of solvent. Solvent uses the water, and that is the 1 kilogram means 1000 gram of solvent. Is equal to weight upon molecular mass. So moles of solute converted into, this is the weight, small w upon molecular mass, multiply with mass of solvent in 1 kilogram. So it's denoted by the capital M, multiply with 1000. So that is the term of the molality. That is the difference between the molarity and molality. Molality is denoted by the small m, whereas the molarity is denoted by the capital M. This solution is known as the 1 molar, and this solution, molarity solution, known as the 1 molar. Then next is the moles of solute, molarity moles of solute. But difference is the mass of solvent in 1 kilogram, and that is the volume of solution is per liter. So that is the difference between the molality and molarity. Whereas the molarity is the temperature dependent and molality is the temperature independent. Next is the calculate the molality of solution containing 20 gram of K2CO3 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. Assume density of solution 1 gram per ml and molar mass K2CO3 is equal to 138 gram per mole. First given data is the mass means weight 20 gram and solution 500 ml. We know that the molality is equal to the moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent. For example, consider in the gram, so multiply with 1000. First we find out that the moles of solute. How to find out the moles of solute? So moles of K2CO3 is equal to given weight 20 gram divided by its molecular mass 138 gram per mole. So gram cancel out, it gives the 0.14 mole. That's where you find out moles of solute. Then find out the mass of solvent in the gram. But in this given is the 500 ml of solution. So first solution means volume converted into the gram. Rho is equal to m by v. V value given and rho given. So we find out the mass. Now mass is equal to rho into v. Value given is 1 into v is 500. This converted into the 500 gram. How to convert? Because of the 1 gram per ml and 500 ml. So ml cancel out, so it's converted into 500 gram. But this is the value of the solution. And we find out the value of the solvent. We know that the solution is equal to the solute plus solvent. Solution value 500 gram. That solute value is the 20 gram plus solvent. So solvent value is 480 gram. This value and this value put this equation is the moles of solute is equal to 0.144 multiply with 1000 divided by the mass of solvent. Mass of solvent is 480 gram. This value given is the molality. 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid is dissolved in 75 gram of benzene. Calculate the molality of solution and also find out the millimolar solution. First given is the 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid. So, for the basis of the molality is equal to moles of solute divided by the mass of solvent. In the mass of solvent is given in this gram value. So in the gram, so its multiplication with 1000. First we find out that the moles of solute. So mole is equal to weight upon molecular mass. Where is the weight given? 2.5 gram. And molecular mass find out, that is the ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid formula CH3COOH. How to find out the molecular mass? So molecular mass find out C2C means 2 multiply with C and 4H, 4 hydrogen plus 2 oxygen. Carbon molecular weight 4, hydrogen 1 and oxygen 16. So this gives the 16 gram. That weight, this divided by the 60 gram. Weight upon molecular mass 60 gram per mole. This is the 60 gram per mole. That value given is the mole. So this value is the 2.5 divided by the 60. This value is 0.0417 mole. This value put in this equation, moles of solute is equal to 0.0417 divided by the mass of solvent, given value is 75 multiplied with 1000. So this value gives the molar. Then find out that the millimolar. How to find out the millimolar? Same as the millimolar, where millimolar find out that they divided by the 1000. So this value in the molar, so this divided by the 1000, it's converted into millimolar.